Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to copy your Google Stitches file to Figma. So guys, if you want to copy your screens and your project to the Figma, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you simply create your project in the Google Stitches. So guys, here you see when I click here, so guys, here you see this is my school management portal. Okay, and it's give me these screens. Okay, and now I am click on the option like I want to copy my student profile on my Figma. For this I am click here, and after that you go, and here you see the option of more. In the more section guys, here you see the option of download. So guys, make sure when you download that your file extension is in the zip. So guys, here you see that my file extension is in the zip. So then you click the option of save. Now guys, here you see that your school management, the student profile screen is download in the zip format. After that guys, open your Figma. So you just open your Figma and open the editor mode. After that guys, here you see the option of actions. Okay, and you also use the shortcut, click it, and guys, here you say simply search stitch to Figma. Click the option of plugin and visits. Now guys, here you see Figma to Stitch and Stitch to Figma. So you just click on it, and guys, click the option of run. So you just wait for a few seconds to load it complete. When it is load, so guys, here you see this is your screen. Now guys, here you see drop a zip file here to import the screen. So click the option of, then target the platform. So basically our screen is related to the Android, so we are using the mobile. So this is our accept ratio, and what's our source code. So we are using the zip file to import. So just click here, choose file, simply open, and it's now start processing. It will take few minutes and it give you the screen. So guys, here you see that it gave the screen, and here is the HTML preview. Here is the HTML preview. Now simply click the option of add all. Now your screen is preparing to your add into your Figma. After add, first you select, and guys, here you see that your screen is now add. Okay, so this is the way that guys you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.